technically corsets, so go ahead. You know, roast my brain. It's not working today. Just, there we go. Have at it. Attack the girl on the internet with kindness and humor, please. So the question of the day, do I really have over 60 corsets? Maybe yes, but also maybe no. Stay tuned to find out more in this extremely boring video about whether or not I have 60 corsets, less than 60 corsets, or more than 60 corsets. Yeah, not gonna lie, it's not gonna be an interesting one. So, as you know, or don't know, or now know, oh God, it's such a weird day today. Like, the weather is so weird. It's murk. My brain just, thanks for bearing with it, guys. I start a lot of my videos by saying, hi, I'm Raven, and I have over 60 corsets. But then I thought, do I? And then I did nothing about it. I have subsequently also done nothing about it, like count my corsets or check before making this video. I just figured, you know what? Year of the Horse has been such a rodeo. I'm just gonna go ahead and make this video. You guys can just roast me all you like and be like, what the hell is this video about? Now, let's just be clear on this, okay? So, I consider corsets, in my estimation, to be steel bone corsets, spiral steel bone corsets like this one, that is the Natasha corset from Pearls and Arsenic that I will be putting on in the course of this video. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I also love the friend that I named it after so much. Heart shapes that aren't working out in this video. There we go. Anyways, irrelevant tangent. This has a black busk. I love everything about it. It's got the little corded hips. Anyhow, so the reason why I say, okay, do I have over 60 corsets or not, is because since I first counted my corsets and started to look at what corsets I had 60 corsets at that point. Now, subsequently, I have acquired a whole bunch more corsets. So I may well have over 60 corsets, but then I've also gotten rid of a whole bunch of corsets because I just moved on to different types of corsets, which is something that really commonly happens when you start getting into corsets. And back to my previous point, what I consider corsets are spiral steel boned corsets. So if it doesn't have spiral steel boning, then I consider it more like a fashion top or a bustier. And that type of thing you can find over on my Amazon store. I have lots of that type of fashion. And when I first go back to waist training, like I will probably sometime this year or next year, I would start with the bustiers. I would start with the soft corsets that are plastic boned, that are cheapy ones, just to kind of get my body used to wearing corsets again. So I know they're not technically corsets, so go ahead. Roast my brain. It's not working today. Just, there we go. Have at it. Attack the girl on the internet with kindness and humor, please. If you say anything really hilarious, you will get 5 stars. 5-star thumbs up, and you'll be totally liked to the top of the comments, because anything super hilarious is just my favorite. It's just my favorite. So yeah, 10 points for super hilarious comments. So when I first start going back to wearing corsets, I'm not going to start with these necessarily, because the reason why I had to stop wearing corsets was because I had inflammation suddenly flare up, and my weight was going crazy, and everything just went wild. And so I had to just stop wearing corsets for a while. Ooh, this top is going a bit crazy. If you like anything that I'm wearing, like my jewelry or my tops or earrings or anything like that, all of this is on my Amazon store as well. It's just stuff that I wear, and I'm like, here you go, guys. If you like it, there it is. So I had to stop wearing corsets. Like, I had founded my corset brand. I had to stop wearing corsets, and that was like really upsetting for me. Oh, this is not. Is that the bunny ear? What have I done? Let me see. Oh, I've made a total mess of this. Oh dear. Let me just see. Let me just. And so now that I'm going to be returning to wearing corsets a little bit more, I will be returning by getting used to wearing the plastic bone bustiers that I have, and then probably buying a few more. I found some really cool ones on my Amazon store. I'm like, they got like pannier hips. Like, I'm a real sucker for this type of hip, and they've just got these massive, like, beautiful. It's like, unfortunately, it's like a leopard spot, like with this low front and then these big pannier hips. But I'm like, despite the leopard spot, I love leopard spot generally as an accent, but clearly I wear all black all the time, so like leopard isn't really my go-to. But ooh, I puffy today. But yeah, so if I'm going to start wearing my corsets again, I'm going to start by wearing those bustier type tops around the house and just sort of day to day. Then I'm going to train in shorter underbusts, short ones, and like little waspie belts and things like that, just to get my stomach kind of used to that feeling again, because otherwise it can be like a little bit annoying, right? You've got something squashing on your stomach. So I think, yeah, I'd start with that. And I posted on my Instagram, if you want to go over there and see, like, when I'm wearing those little bustier tops, I just make a little video over there. My Instagram, well, you know, like, it's there. It's there. You know how to find these things. But anyways, yeah. And then I would move to wearing mesh corsets. So I wouldn't necessarily start with something like this because it's satin and mesh. But my pearls and arsenic corsets are all going to be with some element of mesh in them, because clearly I love sheer, I love mesh, and I love all that. Look, sorry if that was a weird microphone moment. I need to sort out my microphones. But yeah, I do apparently have more or less than 60 corsets. I think I have a picture somewhere here. And I will count them and go through them with you, which would be super fun. And also, yeah, like, try them on when I fit back into some of them, because my weight has just stabilized in terms of, it was like totally yo-yoing between like a size 12 to a size 16 in like UK sizes, which is like, I guess a size like 8 to 12 something. Anyone who can do the conversions, please correct me. But yeah, it was real yo-yoing, so that was very difficult, and why I started wearing stretchy clothes only. And I think that's something that I'm gonna keep doing. But I have a lot of gorgeous corsets. I may or may not have 60. I may have more. I doubt I have less. I may have less if I've gotten rid of a bunch. But I have a lot of corsets, and I look forward to going through them with you. So if you want to see that, let me know, and I'll work towards it. Or if you just want to show them, like, some of them, I have some Sparklewrens. I have lots of other designers, so that would be quite fun to do. But just, you can let me know if that's something that you would like to see, and I would love to share that with you, because I have continued collecting corsets, and I will ongoing. So yeah, corset lovers unite. I love you all. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. See you next time. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you want to see. Appreciate you.